anyone who watches the actual footage of us doing this realized that a lot of this gas didn't just push stuff up and in, but also push stuff out and out
Right.
all over the place. But fortunately, the system worked well enough to get us more than twice as much material as we needed to get to meet all our science requirements. So it did everything we needed it to.
Right. You were shooting for about 60 grams and ended up with about 121, 22 grams in total.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I found fascinating in following this is that when the touchdown happened, and I don't think that you guys expected that 6 tons approximately of material was ejected when this happened, and that was due to the loose rubble nature of the asteroid. I heard somebody describe it as being almost like a foam, that if you were to step on the surface of Bennu, you might actually sink a considerable amount into it.
Well, if you had velocity to push you in, but the
Right.
gravity itself wouldn't pull you in. But
Right.
so I should correct something I said earlier, that if you're at the equator and you did a push up, it would throw you off. That's only if you could actually do your push up against the surface. But as what might happen is you might push down with your arms and find out you just pushed your arms
Right.
into the surface and you're still there.